Hello guys! In today's video, you will learn how to create affiliate account on Instagram. So without further ado, let's start. So to have an affiliate account, we have to add a link to our bio where people can click on that and then they can see multiple links of products or services that you offer. You can add the link right here. But how we can create a link that has multiple links on it to add to our bio? To do that, we have to go to our browser and then search for Linktree. So now search for Linktree. Now tap Sign up to Linktree today. You can sign up a free account on Linktree. And as you can see right here, people using Linktree for their link in bio. You can choose any of this to create your link, and then you can start it for free. And then after that, just copy and paste the link on your bio. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.